Hello everyone, myself Sami. We are at Sami Infotech, Nerul. Today we are going to talk about what is front-end development. Many of you might be wondering कि I want to become a full stack developer. But in order to become a full stack developer, you should first understand that we always start from the basic concepts. Even if you look at the engineering syllabus, BSc IT syllabus, BSc CS syllabus, they always start from these three things. That is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But the question arises, why and why? Over here, if you look, HTML is the basis where you form all the elements of a website. CSS is where you style them. JavaScript is where you give it, or you can say wherein you can put all the functions into the website. When you say the latest technologies like Angular and React JS, these are nothing but the frameworks of JavaScript. So overall, if you look, if you want to become a front-end developer, you only need HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Once you have a hands-on practice on JavaScript, you can then upgrade to Angular and React.js. But also remember, if you just focus on JavaScript and then upgrade to Angular or React.js, HTML and CSS is somewhere you have to be core on. Without developing the elements and without giving styling to the elements, it doesn't mean anything that you upgrade to higher technologies. Because I have seen people who have already gained experience in Angular, but they cannot do CSS. If you can't do CSS, how are you going to make it look presentable? So I would like to sum it up. In order to become a best front-end developer, we have to focus on the core, which is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then upgrade to Angular and React.js. This is exactly what we do at Sami Infotech. Thank you.